In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move pictures from Google Photos to Google Drive. We'll keep things straightforward and make sure you understand exactly what's happening at each stage so your photos end up right where you want them. Start by opening the Google Apps menu, the small grid icon you'll see near the top of most Google pages. Click that, then click Drive. This opens your Google Drive, the place where your files and folders are stored. Think of My Drive as the main area of your storage. If you're fine placing your photos there, you can stay right on that screen. If you prefer to keep things tidy, navigate into the specific folder where you want the photos to go. Opening the destination first makes the transfer smoother and keeps everything organized from the start. Now it's time to highlight the photos you want to move. With your Google Photos library visible in your browser, click a photo to select it. To select multiple, hold Shift to grab a continuous range, or hold Ctrl on Windows or Command on Mac to pick photos one by one. You'll see each selected image highlight so you know exactly what's included. If it helps, place Google Photos and Google Drive side by side in two windows, or keep them in two tabs so you can switch between them easily. Make sure you're signed into the same Google account in both, so your files land in the right drive. When you're ready, transfer multiple Google Photos by dragging them to My Drive. Click and hold your highlighted selection in Photos, drag it over to the Drive window or tab, and drop it onto My Drive or into the specific folder you opened earlier. You'll see the upload begin right away. In Drive, look for a small upload panel in the corner showing progress. As each file finishes, it will appear in the folder you chose. A few quick tips while this runs. Large batches and high-resolution images can take time, so give the upload a moment to complete. If you drop the photos into the wrong place, don't worry, you can move them inside Drive afterward. And note that transferring this way places copies in Drive. Your original images in Google Photos aren't removed by this action. That's all there is to it. Click Google Apps, click Drive, choose your destination if needed, highlight your photos, and drag them into My Drive. Once the upload completes, your pictures will be right there in Google Drive, neatly stored and ready to use. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.